amazing viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. If you're seeing me for the first time on your screen, you're very much welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, guys. In fact, you guys are my favorites. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, Princess or Prince, please do me a big favor by hitting the subscribe button. In this video, I'll be telling you guys about the best, most effective whitening lotion I've come across that is for all skin types. You want to see? Please do keep. This body lotion doesn't has any bad effect on my skin. So I thought about it and I said, okay, why not I share with you this amazing product that has helped in brightening up my skin without any effect. And the name of this body lotion is a popular brand, yes, it's Dove, but it's the Dove Fairness Nourishment Body Lotion, the one I'm having here. Yes. So this body lotion, I got it at the price of 1,500 naira. I was actually surprised when I heard the price, and I was afraid of getting the body lotion because I was like, is it going to work? I was having doubts, but I decided to give it a try. And like, I think that was the best. That was I took the best decision in buying this body lotion because it did help. Yes, it did help clear my dark spots, and it's bringing out my skin tone, and I'm very much grateful. So if you feel like you want to brighten up your skin, you without bleaching, without any signs of bleaching, you just want your skin to be even, to blend, to look shiny, to look radiant, well, go for this body lotion. It has a very nice aroma. First of all, it has a rose-like aroma. It absorbs quickly, and it does its jobs in bringing out your skin tone, in brightening your skin tone. Like after 2 weeks of using it, the results I was seeing on my skin was very, very good. And ah, I think I've fallen in love with this body lotion, so to say, darling. Yes, this body lotion, it's very, very good. So my sister, please go get yourself this body lotion in the market. It's very, very affordable. Like no effect. So if you like this video and you want me to do reviews about other body lotions, please do drop a comment in the comment section, please. Bye.